Hey everyone! In today's video, I'll be showing you how to stream YouTube right on your car's display. But before we begin, a quick reminder. Always stay safe and avoid any distractions while driving. We'll be using an app called CarTubePlus, which allows you to watch YouTube and other platforms on your car's screen. All you need to do is connect your device through Bluetooth or with a wired CarPlay connection, and you're good to go. CarTubePlus is super simple to set up and use. If you're ready to start streaming YouTube in your car, stick around for the full step-by-step guide. Let's start by optimizing some settings. Open your device's settings and go to Battery. Check that low power mode is turned off to avoid impacting the app's performance. Then go back to the main settings menu, select General, and tap Background App Refresh. Ensure that either Wi-Fi or Wi-Fi and mobile data is enabled. This setting ensures the app can refresh its content in the background, allowing it to operate smoothly. Once you've completed the initial checks, we can proceed to the next step. Open your browser and navigate to titanmods.com, a trusted site offering a variety of modded applications. In the search bar, type CarTubePlus and select it from the results. This will take you to a page with details like the number of downloads and community reviews. To begin the download, simply click the Download Now button. The download and installation process should be quick, and you'll receive a confirmation message once it's successfully installed. If the message doesn't appear, it could mean that the server requires an update or additional files need to be downloaded. Don't worry. The screen will provide step-by-step instructions to guide you through this easy process. Once finished, the necessary files will be downloaded, completing the installation. I've already tested it myself, and it works flawlessly. Thanks for sticking around until the end of the video. If you found it useful and everything worked smoothly for you, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more similar content. If you have any questions or run into any problems, drop a comment below and I'll gladly assist you. Thanks again, and take care.